Who's hungry for some crispy golden fried chicken? Let's get cooking. First things first, clean that chicken well. Soak it in a mix of baking soda and vinegar, then rinse thoroughly. Time to season. Grab your favorites: salt, pepper, garlic, onion powders, or a complete seasoning. Mix it in well. Give that chicken some love. Next, whisk 2 eggs with a cup of milk and pour it over the chicken. Now patience is key. Let it sit in the fridge overnight or for at least 6 hours. When you're ready to fry, heat enough oil to cover the chicken pieces, but don't overcrowd the pot. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour and coat each piece of chicken from the marinade, one at a time. When the oil is hot and you hear that sizzle, start frying. Turn the chicken every few minutes, and in about 20 minutes, you'll have golden, crispy perfection. Drain and serve, and enjoy the yummiest fried chicken you've ever made. Tell me how good it is, and hey, try buttermilk for a tasty twist. Yummy.